Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group. This home is in a gated community. It has a beautiful brick paver driveway and it's located in St. Cloud. The front entryway is stone and the listing price is $738,900. It's 2 stories with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Your dining room is at the front of the home. You have high ceilings and a flex room just across the way. Under the stairs, you have lots of storage space. The kitchen has granite countertops, tiled backsplash, an island with a breakfast bar. Here in the corner, you have a walk-in pantry. All of your appliances are included: your refrigerator, range, microwave, and dishwasher. You have plenty of cabinetry, recessed lighting throughout. The sliding glass doors take you out to your spacious backyard and screened-in patio. You have ceiling fans to keep you cool, the screen to keep the bugs out. It's fully fenced in and nicely landscaped. As you can see, there's plenty of space to add a pool. Next to your kitchen and gathering room, you can put another little table over here. There's lots of windows, letting natural light into the home. In the bathroom, you have a linen closet. This would make a great pool bath since you already have a door leading you to the outside patio. Here you have your walk-in shower. And your vanity next to your closet. This room here can be used as an office. It's especially great for if you work at home. You do have a 3-car garage, so there's plenty of space for not only your cars, but for some of your toys as well. Over here you have your drop zone area. You have a first floor bedroom. All of your remaining bedrooms are upstairs, and you have a walk-in closet as well. I think my favorite part of this home is the theater room located upstairs. This really is a great floor plan. You have plenty of room for entertaining family and friends with over 4,200 square feet of living space. We come up to the second floor. You have your second bedroom next to this beautiful foyer that you can look down at. This too has a walk-in closet, and the bedroom is conveniently located next to a full-size bathroom. You have your shower and tub and vanity space. This home gives you your very own personal movie theater. You can sit right here and picture yourself watching some of your favorite movies. There's a huge loft. You can play pool. It's a great game room space. There's a large walk-in closet where you can put all of your games. Store some movies in here. And there's a bar area that you can enjoy as well. The laundry room is conveniently located upstairs, next to your bedrooms. The upstairs bedroom suite has an attached bathroom. You have your double vanity. Over here is your privacy door for your toilet. The walk-in shower and garden tub. I'm kind of tied between the movie room and the closet. This is an amazing custom designed closet. You can organize all of your shoes, clothes, and jewelry. I wanted to also mention this community is in a great location. You aren't far from Lake Nona's Medical City. And if you have kids, you're zoned for some great schools. There's lots of entertainment, restaurants to enjoy nearby. You'll notice this home does have many large closets throughout. Including your 4th and 5th bedrooms, which have walk-in closets. These bedrooms do share a full-size bathroom. If you like this home and want to schedule a private tour, please feel free to reach out. My name is Amanda Haynes. Thanks for watching and have a great day.